blame it all on feet. Becca, come back. You can blame it all on poo. Yep.
The art of it is to recreate the beauty of motion.
Why did you just throw that ring?
It went down my shirt.
Here.
This smells like feet.
Because she put her feet all over there.
I don't like feet.
Yeah, Sarah, you know how there was major cleavage last episode?
No.
Boo! Why? Lash! You just bit me!
She is sad now. Lexi is sad. Oh, fine. Close the door. You poor child.
Sorry you lost your friend here.
Don't cry. That was a pitiful, sad, fake cry. Okay, have fun wallowing in your pity, self-pity.
Becca!
Come and help me. I can teach
Becca,
you how to
come
work
back.
and enjoy it.
You can blame it all on feet.
It's really quite
Becca,
beautiful.
come back.
You're so autistic, but I have a feeling you might.
You can blame it all on poo.
Yeah. Just feel this.
Go away! You go away! This is my room! You threw your bullet at me! Ah!
Braided cables.
You're just not fighting. No! No.
Dude,
Walk away!
Whoa, back off, bro.
No. No! Just let me do it! No.
Sarah, become a mummy.
No! You suck at this.
Mary. Sarah!
Hey!
Why are you throwing things at me? I'm not even involved.
TP broke.
Stop it! Let me do it!
I won't put your hair in the fan.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Does anybody want a keyboard?
I might.
The escape key doesn't work.
Ow!
That's my boo.
Ah!
Stop!
Walk away. Go. We're done here. We're done here. I'm gonna move out. Goodbye.
Get out.
Goodbye. Leave. No! You were sitting right
I
there.
was like that. Okay, move your leg.
You were sitting right. Becca, that's not where you were
No,
sitting.
is that?
No,
yes,
you were-
it was.
It was your toe. You put your butt on my toe.
You put your toe in my butt.
No, I did not. My foot is sitting right here.
Your toe was in my
It was
butt.
mine.
Your toe was in my.
You were sitting on it.
And it's pointy.
Yes, you were sitting on it.
Your toe's pointy because I sat on
No,
it.
it was poking your butt because you were sitting on it.
These things and go on believing
Your
someone
toes
tells
in
me
my
a Batman
Not very
dolls
good.
every year, I just don't question that.
You would have been my nightmare. Very strict instructions from Rabbi Shmuley not to say a word until the last Christian kid found out.
We're just gonna sit here like nothing happened.
You look very
I need
upset.
a shower.
Did you just say whether or not
You're
it
okay.
is real?
You don't believe in Santa Claus, do
Stop
you?
thinking about.
God, your toe was actually in my butt. Yes. I didn't. You're the one who wiggled your toe. No, your toe was pointy and right there.
Hey, Winnie.
I'm the one who just got butt raped by your toe.
Girlfriend.
Oh, Nick Miller.
That's you.
Obviously, because when I do strip, I get attacked in the butthole by toads.
And get locked out of the house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
No, you did this to me.
Because you started it! You look like you need a fucking, like, black tooth right now. That's what you look like. You look like an unfortunate. No! I'm going to pee.
Sarah, why do you look so puzzled?
She's got like
a permanent eyebrow raise.
You look pretty, Becca.
Look at yourself in the mirror.
What is going on with At least I tried to shape it to your eyebrow.
You guys should make it even.
Come here.
Did you get the pencil? I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Were you upset?
What? Your eyebrow looks pretty dark, Becca.
I know. At least it doesn't look like your eyebrow right now.
Okay, I don't want to hear it. Do you know how much eyebrow pencil you put on me? Do you realize? Is this ever gonna come off?
I say you just leave it.
No. Okay, I told her this doesn't come off easily. She's like, yeah, just wash it off, it's okay.
She just took some toilet paper and like smudged it off too. And you're like using a scrub and everything.
Yeah, well, she put it on very thickly. Okay.
Beautiful.
Truth be told, I miss you. And truth be told, I'm lying. When you see my face, up against you, hell, up against you, hell.
I'm a boss ass bitch, guys. When did I get paint on you? You're beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look, bitch is on your shoulder.
There's a moth on me.
Bitch, 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 bitch.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna go big.
Bitch, bitch, bitch.
We're doing your shoulder like the whole thing. Go for it. Oh dear. I have to take a shower for this anyway. You're not gonna have to in the shower. Probably. You're gonna be really frustrated. Watch it stain. And you have to work tomorrow with black on your face. I'm so upset. I would call in. No. You have that concealer or whatever.
What you want?
That concealer.
What? I want to see your reaction. Hi. What are you doing? Where are you? It's just me, okay? He went outside to dry off. No?
He's hiding behind a corner somewhere. Right
Why do you always think that? What was that for? You threw a shoe at me.
My ice cream cone. Did you do that on purpose? Yeah.
Show it to me.
It's an ice cream dick.
You're so happy about it too.
Find a man that's worth the damn and treats you well.